Perodua Axia. Okay. Install Lenovo 232 storage. Okay. And 4-core processor. T3L in the hard rest. Okay. And the 10-inch. So it's the OEM good fitting casings. Okay, it's the QLED screen resolution 1280 and the pointer 720. Okay, and the reverse camera compact is the AHD cameras. Okay, the reverse light and the player opens. And the reverse light. Okay, and the off. Okay. And navigation. The head is take the short form both ways. Okay. No light in it. Okay. So to connect to the Wi-Fi. And the music. Pad here. Okay. And the Bluetooth. And the can connect the phone call, phone book, and the phone music. And the name and the pins. And the radios. Setting. Okay. And off screen the hair can. Okay. And the theme. Head chance. Okay. And the 60mm mic. And the Malaysia movie. And the file manager. Okay, this is the 10-brand equalizer. And the zoom. Okay. And the Play Store setting. Can support the page screen functions. Page screen. Take the hairs. The hair in the hair files. And no need lah. Okay. I open the music. Okay. And off. Okay. Installed by one piece. Thank you.